American 2027, quick direct tequila.
Tequila, American.
Alright, so I'm on my way out to Santa Paula, California, and the engine's running a little rougher than I'm used to running. I'm up here at 8,500 feet. I'm in my cruise configuration. Everything's leaned out, and fuel flow, manifold pressure, RPM, all that stuff looks good. My EGTs look normal. My CHTs all look good, look normal. Nothing crazy there. If I go do a mag check, I go to my left mag, it starts running really rough. I'm losing a little over 100 RPM. I don't know if you can see this vibration here. And yeah, I'm losing, looks like my number 4 cylinder there.
American 2027, descend to positive discretion.
Go back to both.
Down to flight level 190, American 2027.
And it comes back.
To reduce to 265 knots down than the remaining speeds of Kilo.
Go to right.
65 down, then the speeds after Kilo.
Running fine.
Albuquerque Center, Meridian 601.
Looks like number 3 EGT spiking there.
Empire 8802, contact Yuma approach 124.7.
124.7, Empire 8802.
Number 601 Romeo Hotel,
You see, go back to left, shaking real good. See the mag drop.
Scala 3172, contact Phoenix approach 128.65.
And my number 4 EGT is dropping off.
2118, contact
So,
approach 124.7.
going back to both.
24.7 and flight 2118.
That's telling me I got a problem. So, I don't think I'm going to Santa Paula. I think I'm turning around. Albuquerque Center, Skyline 92112. Turning around, I'm heading back towards Goodyear.
Alright, I had a couple aircraft there. There's somebody going back towards Goodyear.
Yeah, that's 902-112, 8,500, returning to the airport.
Number 92112, Roger. Is there any sort of, say the reason for the destination change?
I've got a mechanical issue, non-emergency at this time.
Alright, number 92112, Roger. Just let me know if that turns into an emergency or if you need any sort of assistance.
Roger, I appreciate it, and I'll be descending 7,500, 112.
Number 4437 Sierra, Albuquerque Center, Tucson, altimeter 3014. Flight 2924, Albuquerque Center, Phoenix altimeter, Tucson altimeter, sorry, is 3014.
Alright, ATIS at Goodyear.
Ramp 2, not visible from the tower. Notice to your emissions, 110-foot crane, 0.75 nautical miles east, approach on runway 21. On the next contact, pleasure at Sierra.
Alright, we have ATIS Sierra.
Number 327 Mike Zulu, Albuquerque Center, Phoenix altimeter 3014.
Sierra at 1447 Zulu. Wind 030 at 5. Temperature 13, 2.02, altimeter 3009er. Visual approach, runway 3 in use. Advisory, Duluth Special Air Traffic Rule is active. Taxiway ramp 2, not visible from the tower. Notice your emissions, 110 foot train, 0.75 nautical miles east, approach on runway 21. College contact, pleasure at Sierra.
Quick descent check, make sure we're not mixing anything. Throttle manifold pressure as required, mixture rich, and we did that. Fuel still on both. Carpet as required. Cowl flaps are closed. ATIS, AWAS checked. Altimeter is set. Instruments check. Heading to the compass. Let's check. Descent checklist is complete.
346 is.
Alright, we're about 42 miles out. 18 minutes. I'll check back with you in a few. And Luke, that hot air balloon, yeah, it looks like same altitude, just passing off my 9 o'clock.
Roger, sir.
And I do have Goodyear in sight.
Roger, radar center, command squad, VFR 310, thank you for your help.
VFR 112, good day. You can see that hot air balloon, but... Alright, over to Goodyear.
Clear, touch and go.
1 Alpha Charlie, follow Sirius half mile final, clear touch go runway 3.
Got the F-35s. Goodyear Tower, Skyline 92112, 8 miles to west, 2,800.
Skyline 92112, Goodyear Tower. Enter left base for runway 3 and report a 3-mile left base. Confirm you have information, Sierra.
Left base, runway 38 is Sierra 112.
Skyline 112, there's a flight of 4 fighters ahead of you. Alpha indicates 2,800, caution by turbulence.
Traffic inside 112. Well, it looks like I got F-35s flying over me as I'm making a left base into Goodyear right now.
Running 503, turn right at Alpha 6, contact ground.
Right Alpha 6, contacting ground, running 503.
Goodyear Tower, running 846, holding short of Alpha 10, holding short runway 3 at Alpha 10, ready for takeoff.
Running 846, Goodyear Tower, hold short, runway 3.
Hold short, runway 3. Running 846.
Running 833, number 3, following a Cessna right base approaching the golf course, advise traffic inside.
Number 3, traffic inside, running 833.
Running 833, number 3, runway 3, clear, touch and go.
Number 3, runway 3, clear touch and go, running 833.
660 Juliet Whiskey, number 2, following the Cessna 12 o'clock, a mile and a half, turning 1 mile final, runway 3, clear to land.
Number 2, runway 3, clear to land, 660 Juliet Whiskey.
Skyline 92112, starts flowing, you are number 4, following a Cirrus, 10 o'clock, 2 miles on left downwind, advise traffic inside.
All right, number 4, we're slowing for runway 03, 112.
For Barney 833, there's traffic to your right, 2 miles, a Cessna, they'll follow you.
Traffic inside, running 833.
Cessna 660 Juliet Whiskey, turn right toward the runway.
Turn towards the runway, 660 Juliet Whiskey.
Skyline 92112, that traffic is 11 o'clock and a mile and a half now on downwind.
Traffic in sight, 112.
Skyline 92112, number 4, runway 3, clear to land. The Cirrus will be a touch and go.
All right, clear to land runway 3, Skyline 112.
Barney 833, turn base.
Turn base, running 833.
12 o'clock, 1 mile, 100 feet below.
Alright, we're following that Cirrus. Looks like it's Varney 833, they're touch and go. I'm going to keep it kind of close to them. Does not help with the sun in my face.
Cessna 1 Alpha Charlie, turn left crosswind at the interstate.
Left crosswind at the interstate, for 1 Alpha Charlie.
Alright, fuel selectors on both, undercarriages down and fixed. Mixtures forward, props forward, seatbelts are fastened, we are clear to land.
Cessna 660 Juliet Whiskey, when able turn right, contact ground.
Turn right, Alpha 8, contact ground, 660 Juliet Whiskey.
Mile final runway 03.
2833, follow the Cessna, left crosswind over the interstate.
Follow the Cessna, traffic inside, line 833.
Skyline 92112, not sure if you have enough room there behind that other Cessna. Can you hold behind him?
Yeah, I'll take Alpha 8 behind him, 112.
Skyline 92112, roger, and contact ground point 7.
Ground point 7, 112. Ground, Skyline 92112 is clearing runway 3, Alpha 8 for south hangars.
Seneca 92112, Goodyear tower, roger. Hold short of the taxiway, please.
Hold short of the taxiway, 112.
Mag check didn't catch it. Mag check in flight did catch it. Wasn't happy with it. So turned around, came back to the airport, decided I'd much rather go fix it in my own hangar than somewhere else. The engine monitor, my CGR 30, showed me all my EGTs. And when I did the mag check, I could see I was losing my number 4. So I pulled the bottom spark plug, number 4 cylinder. It was full of lead. Cleaned it out. Let's put it back together, go try it again. So, if that's not a smoking gun, I don't know what is. I'm gonna clean it up, I'm gonna put it back together, I'm gonna go test it, and if I had to bet dollars to donuts, I would say that will solve my problem. And yes, there's probably a new harness in my future.